Your rack system is hallucinating. Your retrieval is returning the wrong chunks. And nobody can tell you why. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. I'm Vijay Kashyap, Gen AI and Agentic AI architect. If you missed my intro video, I'll link it above. What I want to talk about today is the single biggest architectural mistake I see in enterprise Gen AI deployments: pure vector search. Here is what most teams build: they chunk their documents, generate embeddings, push everything into a vector database, and call it RAG. And for a demo, it works beautifully. Then they go to production: 10 million vectors, real users, multi domain queries, compliance requirements, and the system starts to break. Why? Because vector search only understands semantic similarity. It finds chunks that sound like your query, but it has no understanding of relationships, no understanding of context across documents, no understanding of who is asking, why they're asking, or what domain their question sits in. In enterprise environments, that is not good enough. So, what is the fix? Hybrid RAG. Hybrid RAG is a three-stage retrieval pipeline, and I want to walk you through each stage because once you see this, you cannot unsee it. Stage 1: Vector Search. Yes, it's still here, but it's now just the first pass. We use PG vector with HNSW indexing, M equals 16, EF underscore construction 200, to retrieve the top candidate chunks semantically. Fast, approximate, the starting point, not the answer. Stage 2: Graph Traversal. This is where enterprise RAG becomes intelligent. We pass those candidates into Neo4j, a knowledge graph that holds the relationships between every entity in the business: customers, suppliers, products, transactions, fraud signals. Multi hop graph traversal finds connections that pure vector search cannot see. Stage 3: Cross encoder re ranking. We take the enriched candidates from stages 1 and 2 and we run them through Cohere re rank, a cross encoder model that scores every candidate in context of the actual query. Not approximate similarity, precise relevance. The result? In the platform I built at Emirates Technology Solutions, this three-stage pipeline reduced retrieval latency by 62%, increased answer precision by 41%, and was a core contributor to the 44% reduction in hallucinations. At 10 million vectors, in production, with full compliance. Pure vector search is not wrong, it is just incomplete. For a demo, it's fine. For enterprise production, you need all three stages. In the next video, I'm going to go deeper. I'll show you the actual LangGraph agent architecture that sits on top of this retrieval pipeline, the one that reduced hallucinations by 44%. If you found this useful, subscribe. Every week, I publish what actually works in enterprise AI production. Not theory, production.